Greetings from Global City Farmer. Today again we are here at the third book swap drive, and today's collection is just amazing with a lot of novels, storybooks, textbooks, academic extra books. The activity books. It's just been amazing. So I'll just run you all through whatever is happening. So it's not just a book drive, but there is a plastic waste drive, e-waste, and lot of things happening when people with a similar mission come together. The huge magic happens. So we can see it here. I'll just change the camera rotation now so that you can see whatever here. So as you can see here, we have kept the books collected which are for young children. Story books, there are some activity books, and you can see already one enthusiastic reader is choosing from this collection. The main intention for this drive is that these books don't go to raddi, and it gets utilized to its maximum potential, so that the readers choose it and the love for the books continue. So first I'll show you all the books which we are collecting. These are the academic books here, the guides and the extra practice books, the textbooks, the notebooks, unused notebooks, which will go for the better use, collected by one NGO later on. More textbooks here, and also here we have a huge collection this time for the novels, the grown-up books. Actually there were many got picked up, which is a good thing. That's the basic intention for this drive. And as I mentioned, there are a lot of other things happening here today, as always. So this is today's plastic collection. As you can see, like more than 100 people have come already and given their plastic waste. So it will not go to the landfills and get properly recycled into useful items. Here we have also the Tetra Pak collection, which will also get repurposed. So this is a collection for medicines which are still in usable condition, not expired. They will also get utilized for the needy people and will not just get wasted. This is again this time a very big collection of e-waste. I had mentioned many a times in my videos, e-waste recycling is very important, because if it goes improper way to the waste, it is very harmful for the environment. So this e-waste will be handled carefully and a safe way. Today we are having here cloth bags used from made from a repurposed fabric, brought by Utkarsha Mandal Vileparle, and these are being given to all the people, responsible citizens visiting for today's drive, to encourage more and more use of cloth bags and stop using plastics. And this is our great Smita ji, who is behind all this activities which happen at Anil Bungalow, and she is really the inspiration for us all. She's right now busy.
Without your support it's impossible.
So that's her sweetness. And yes, this is wrapping up today's drive with lot of positive action happening. And so here saying bye today, and keep continuing coming for such activities and supporting all these environment friendly initiatives. This is what we can do to save our planet, for our kids, for our future generation. So here is bye from Global City Farmer for today.